Good morning, students. Welcome back. In my last class, I told you about the three different sections of the European society in late 18th and early 19th century. Now today, we are going to discuss about a new change in the society that was registered during the 19th century. So now in the chapter Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, in this chapter the next point of discussion is industrial society and social change. There are so many changes in the society, and as industries came up, 19th century is a time of social and economic change. Now the question is why? It was because 19th century is considered as the period of rapid industrialization. Several industries came into existence. The period of rapid industrialization. Okay, 19th century is always marked with new industrial changes, coming up of new industries, etc. So this coming up of new industries changed the social, economic, economic part of the society. The political trend was sign of a new time, and this 19th century was a new time. It was a time of profound social and economic changes. It was a time when new cities came up and new industrialized region developed, railways expanded, and industrial revolution occurred with full swing. However, the date of industrial revolution is 1750, but we are learning about the 19th century. So this period was a period of rapid industrialization. Now, industrialization changed the pattern of the society. The industrialization changed the pattern of the society. How? Industrialization brought men, women, and children to the factories. Now, this industrialization was followed by a new system of society, that is capitalism. Now, feudalism has no place in the society. Feudalism was replaced by a new society system, that was capitalism. So, capitalism was the driving force. Money, capital, is the driving force in the society. Often we have seen that the society is divided between two groups of people. One, the factory owners or the rich people, and second is the workers or the poor people. Now, a new type of social division had been registered in the society: the rich and the poor. The factory owners gave long working hours. They assigned long working hours for the workers, and in return they always pay low wages. So these were the problems. Unemployment was common, particularly during the times of low demand of industrial goods. Housing and sanitation were a problem since towns were growing rapidly. So this was the problem registered in the new society. So the industrial society had all these types of problems. Almost all the industries were property of the individual. So here the individual property, individual ownership, now the main driving force in the society. So this was a new system which was going on in the society. Rather, I can say it was a new society in Europe. Okay, we'll continue with this.